You and your spouse's past gone. It has gone on long enough. The past has chased you down long enough. You and your spouse's past gone. Over, swept away. Welcome back to Prophetic Diary. My name is Tiny. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. All of my new subscribers, everything you need to know about Prophetic Diary is down in the description box below. We would love to see you in one of our PD Society circles. We meet every Sunday. This Sunday, we're going to be talking about familiar spirits. How to get those familiar spirits out of your life. Does someone or something, does a dream keep on resurfacing in your life? We need to get rid of some familiar spirits here. Single and Ready series this Saturday. Are you ready? Are you ready for that kingdom marriage? Are you ready to hear what God has to say specifically about your kingdom marriage? Join us. Let there be some knowing. Let there be some clarity in your kingdom marriage. Last but not least, my one-on-ones. Almost 40% off of calls this month of June. Sign up. You don't want to miss out. I would love to get to know you, get to meet you. Some of you finally get to know you, get to meet you. Sign up. You won't be disappointed. Most people always come back. I rarely have just one-on-one call. You'll definitely come back. The Lord gave you this word today in 1 Samuel 1:13. And it says that as she kept on praying to the Lord, Eli observed her mouth. Hannah was praying in her heart and her lips were moving, but her voice was not heard. Eli thought she was drunk and said to her, "How long are you going to stay drunk? Put away your wine." She says, "No, my Lord." Hannah replied, "I am a woman who is deeply troubled." This word isn't for everyone, but it's for somebody. You are deeply troubled by something. It's something in your past that keeps on coming up. There's something, a force that keeps on pulling you back in. You don't want to do it. You don't want to get involved in it. You don't want to be around them. You don't want to partake in that activity. But there's something that keeps on pulling you in this. Today's the first day of our fast where we're talking about strongholds being broken and yokes being broken. So I hope that you're joining us in this fast today and tomorrow. But there's something that just keeps on pulling you back. And God sees Hannah's heart. And Hannah's like, "I'm not drunk. I'm just deeply troubled." You're like, "I'm not a sinner. I just don't know why I keep getting pulled back into this. I'm not a monster. I'm not confused. I'm not in idolatry. But somehow I feel like I'm still drawn to this." Hannah was deeply troubled by the fact that she wasn't bearing. Hannah was deeply troubled that she wasn't bearing children for her husband. Maybe your spouse is deeply troubled. Maybe your spouse just is like, "Man, I really want to let go of this counterfeit situation. I really want to turn from my ways. I really want to stop doing the same things over and over." But there's like a stronghold and a pulling. And Hannah was deeply troubled and she was crying so much that her mouth was closed because she was fed up with her past. She was fed up with what was going on in her house. She was fed up with Penina. She was fed up with barrenness. She was tired. She was fed up of going around the same mountains, believing. She was tired of standing. She was tired and she wanted to see something new. But prophetically speaking, I'm here to let you know that an Eli is showing up today on this fast. We're going to see some breakthroughs, some strongholds, and God gave me some dreams last night that confirmed everything that I'm saying to you about your past and your spouse's past being swept away, because someone said it has gone on long enough and you are not deserving of this. You actually deserve more, but it's so hard to get to that more, and you feel like, am I the one that keep messing it up? Am I the one that's causing all the issues because I can't seem to let this go? Loneliness has overtaken me. And maybe your spouse pride has overtaken them because they've been in so many failed relationships that with you it's just like, she's too good or he's too good to be true. Same old mountain. I don't want to be like this. My mother was like this. I don't want to do those things. I used to do those things. But tired of your past to the point it brought you to a weeping like Hannah. To the point it brought you to a place like Hannah, you can't even speak. You don't even know what to say. All you can do is come before the Lord. And God heard her cry. And you're bringing this to the Lord today. And you're bringing your spouse's issues. And you're bringing your issues. And you're just saying, God, it has been long enough. God says that a breakthrough is here. God says that the yoke is being broken. God says that the strongholds are being broken here this week at Prophetic Diary. Hope this word has blessed you. Hope that this word is giving you a hope to say that I'm not in this alone, that I've been having been dealing with this alone, that my spouse will come out of this. Their past is coming to an end. God is sweeping their past away. God is sweeping my past away. I love you, family. Hopefully I'll see you on the live a little later today. If not, if you feel led to sow into this word, #swept away. Love you, family. Breakthrough, yokes broken, deliverance here this week at Prophetic Diary. Talk to you soon.